Good morning, students. I am going to do a little bit of a game with you. Normally we would be in the classroom and we would play Jeopardy to prepare you for your next test. However, we are going to improvise as we are online learning. So with the assistance of my daughter, Sienna, she is going to call out some items and I am going to show them to you and tell you what they are values for. And we will begin.
Male blood for 100.
Male blood for 100. All right, so male blood for 100, what we have is 40 to 50%. 40 to 50%. And so this is the normal hematocrit range for males. Normal hematocrit range for males. Okay, next.
Other for 100.
Other for 100. Okay. Other for 100 is 4,500 to 11,000 millimeters squared. 4,500 to 11,000 per millimeter cubed, not squared, sorry. This is a normal white blood cell count, and that is for either sex. Normal white blood cell count for either sex. Okay, next.
Female 100.
Female blood 100. Okay, that value is between 12 and 18 grams per deciliter. Between 12 and 18 grams per deciliter. Okay, this is the normal hemoglobin for females. Normal hemoglobin for females. Okay, next.
Other 500.
Other for 500, we're going for the big dog. All right, other for 500. This is 3.5 to 6 or between 80 and 120 milligrams per deciliter. These are glucose levels, people. 80 to 120 milligrams per deciliter is your normal AccuCheck or point of care value for glucose when you poke a finger and put the little strip in the machine. And then the 3.5 to 6% is the normal level for a hemoglobin A1C. All right, moving on.
All right, other 300.
Other for 300. This is between 150,000 and 400,000. This is your platelet count. 150,000 to 400,000 per millimeter cubed. Platelet count for either sex. Okay?
Male 300.
Male blood 300. All right. This one is 4.5 to 6 million per millimeter cubed. Okay, let me say it again. 4.5 to 6 million per millimeter cubed. This is the red blood cell count for males. Male red blood cell count, normal range. Go ahead.
Male 500.
Male 500. Male for 500. This is between 14 and 18 grams per deciliter. 14 to 18 grams per deciliter, and this is the hemoglobin count for males. Normal hemoglobin count for males. Okay?
Female 300.
Female blood 300. Okay? Between 30 and 40%. This is the normal hematocrit range for females, 30 to 40%. And then finally, female blood for 500. That's the last one. Okay? This is your red blood cell count for females, and that is 4.0 to 5.0 million per millimeter cubed. Okay? 4 to 5 million per millimeter cubed. Okay? So how are you going to remember all these numbers for the test? I'm going to give you a little bit of a clue. When it comes to hematocrit, those are going to be your percentage ranges, okay? Percentage ranges. Grams per deciliter is going to be hemoglobin, all right? And then red blood cell counts are going to be millions per millimeter cubed, all right? Millions per millimeter cubed. So hematocrit percentage, hemoglobin is going to be grams per deciliter. And then finally, your red blood cell count is going to be million per millimeter cubed. And then all you have to do is memorize the other factors. All right, that is it for today. Thank you.